Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this episode 138 of Gardening Without Edits. I gotta hurry up because the sun's in my eyes. Let me flip the camera around. I get a lot of questions and a lot of, I don't know how you could say, blowback in a way, of people saying, these aren't prunes, there's no such thing as a prune. A prune is a plum that's dried. No, there are prunes. There's French prune, which I got rid of because it was an aphid magnet, and there's an Italian prune, which is this one. So you can see right here, these little saps is probably from, they're not all like this, but this little sap is probably from a stink bug damaging it, and it's healing itself. But there's a lot that's still good. So these are Italian prunes. Sorry for the music. I'll show you the production. Now I planted this tree to provide afternoon shade for my cars in the driveway. But I just wanted people to know that there is such a thing as a prune tree that you can buy. Now this is full. You can tell how dense this is. Let's see if I can zoom in right there. Look at all that. So yeah, so you can buy a prune. Let me see if I can take one off and wipe off that coating so you can see what it looks like. Oh, this is dense. One moment. Right there. See that? They don't taste as good as a plum though. I could see why they dry this. It's really dense. It's more on the acid side than the sweet, but not much moisture. Like I wouldn't even say half. I would say quarter of the moisture of a plum. That's probably why they dry so well. The skin's quite tart, but still pretty good. So yeah, prune tree. Grow some prunes if you eat prunes. Just grow it yourself. Dry them and use them because prunes are expensive. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.